Welcome to the Roost with Lori and Farrah.
We're so glad you're here. We've got a festive holiday punch just in time for the Christmas and New Year's celebrations. And what's great about this is you can make an alcoholic version, but you can also do it in a mocktail format. So it's appealing to your relatives that don't drink or your littles.
Yeah, exactly. If you want to let the little kids have a fancy drink at Christmas, but looks like the grown-ups, but is just, juice and fizzy water, then they've got something equally delightful to share.
That's right. We want everybody to be able to partake. But today it's Monday and we are going to go full throttle. So this is the alcoholic version. And we were inspired by a Charleston candle company called Rewind that has a holiday collection as well as a cocktail collection. And this is called the Poinsettia. So this punch is going to be the Poinsettia Punch. And I know you're going to love it.
Yes, and if you saw our other drink video, which was the apple cider mule, you know that we like to keep it really simple but very delicious.
Yes, it still has a wow factor.
Completely. So we're going to go ahead and mix this up. It literally takes
just 3 ingredients.
Yeah.
We've got cranberry juice, orange liqueur, and Prosecco. So you need, for a serving of 8 for your punch bowl, we're going to do a half a cup of orange liqueur,
followed by cranberry juice.
And then we're going to do a full cup of cranberry juice.
Okay.
There we go.
Stir that together.
Stir it up. And if you have the time, one thing that is nice to do is to create kind of a ice mold that has the elements that are included in your punch. Today we've got oranges, cranberries, and rosemary. It's so easy. You just layer it in a bowl, a freezer-friendly bowl, and pour a little water in. Let it sit for about 6 hours, and then you can add it to your punch bowl to give it a little pop.
It's so beautiful, and it just like screams festive.
Yeah, it's very
delicious.
cheery.
Yes, absolutely. So leave a little bit of room in your glass when you serve this up, so you can add the Prosecco.
Yeah. So we've got that here.
One for you.
And it's really pretty. It's a beautiful pink color, and you can garnish it with orange slices or fresh rosemary. We've got some of that.
Yeah, and as the ice mold melts, like the cranberries will come loose, and you can serve up a couple of those just as a garnish floating in the glass. It's really beautiful. We also pulled some rosemary
From my Trader Joe's garden.
plant. Oh, there we go.
Okay. So happy holidays. We
Happy
hope you try
holidays.
this punch out, and we wish you the best.
We wish you the best from the Roost. Cheers.
Cheers.
Everyone.